So hi, good morning and good evening to all. So in this video, we're going to learn how to check that duplicate rows are there in our dataset or not. So first I imported that pandas library. Then I loaded that dataset, and dataset is just going to display like this. So this is basically loan prediction dataset. After this, what I'm going to do, I'm setting that index in place of 01 numeric to loan ID as that index, and then it's going to display like this loan ID as index. So now we are checking df, that data frame name object, and then applicant income. So applicant income is here one of that column in our data frame, and then I'm checking dot duplicate. So it's going to give us false, true, and false. So where all true, it means we have duplicate rows, and where false, it's not that duplicate. So now if we can put that duplicate dot sum, we'll get how many duplicate rows are there. So we got 4 duplicate rows are there, and we can see here 1, 2, 3, 17, 18, 19, and 008 is duplicate row. So now in this duplicate, we have some function that called keep. So keep, if we put first, so it's going to display that first those 4 rows where we have that same value. So we have see 008, 17, 18, and 19. We have that copy. And again, if we put that duplicate dot sum, so this one we are doing on data set. So that will give you 3. And this one is giving individual for one column, applicant income, and this one for the complete data set. So now, so we can come here that we saw that these are that 4 that duplicate are there. So now if we put that last, so we'll get that last rows which are there. So we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Duplicate of this we have 8, 17, 18, and 19. These are that duplicate rows. So suppose if we go and see here that male and income is 2583. So we have here 2583, education not graduate, no, and all the other things will be same. So now basically that since we are checking that applicant income, so applicant income is 2583, and here applicant income is 2583. So this is that 2 duplicate rows here, it's matching. And if you put that keep equals to false, then it's going to display all those rows which have that duplicate value. So we can see that since we're working on applicant, so it's displaying 5849. If we go and check 5, that 5849 is there, 4583, 4583 is there. So in this way, we can check that on individual column if there and any duplicate rows are there or not. And we can put that keep is that function that will display first, last, and keep equals to false with all those rows, which one we need to take care. So in this way, we can get that. So that's all about this video. If anything else you need, please let me know. Thank you.